In this video we will show how to import data into Geonaft. We will demonstrate how to work with files in LOS and DEV formats and also examples of loading 3D surfaces and borehole images. First you need is to create new well. To do that, click right-click button on Wells folder and select Create New Well. After that you need to edit the well's title, wellhead coordinates and telebushing. The basic data required to geosteering the well are well log and well path. There are two ways of loading these data in Geonaft, by using standard loader or quick loader. Quick loader automatically recognizes the LOS and DEV file formats. Quick loader automatically runs when you drag files into the mail tree. Quick loader allows you to work with several well log and well path files. Just select them in a folder and drag to the loader. For deviation data in the format DEV, the Geonaft automatically recognizes depth, inclination and azimuth data. The software also will recognize the well name and wellhead coordinates if they exist in the file. For LOS files will be automatically recognized the name of the well, the name of the logs and all the well logs. You can edit the names of the logs and select required logs to load. You need then click the load button. After the loading is complete, the data is displayed in the main tree. All loaded data can be opened and edited in spreadsheet. To do this, start the data editor and drag logs from the tree. The logs are displayed along measured depth. Similarly, you can open the well path data in data editor. If you need to perform more complex data calculations, you can export the data to Excel. For example, add the trajectory projection data, and import back into Geonaft. All added data will be displayed in the data editor. To view the logs and trajectories and charts, you need run one of the modules, such as cross-section module, and drag corresponding data. If you need to load the data in other formats, not LOS or DEV, you can use the standard loader. It allows you to load not only the trajectory and logging, but also borehole images from the 3D surfaces. Let's start loading with well trajectory data. You need to select File with well path data, and then determine the depth, inclination and azimuth columns. In most cases, Geonaft automatically defines the columns. If Geonaft will not recognize these columns, you need manually define them. Then you need to go to the Directory tab and select a well to load the data from existing wells, or create a new one. In Geonaft you can import 3D surfaces from 3D geological modeling applications. For this they should be in Earth Grid Vision format. The imported surfaces, it is possible to display the cross-section module and 3D module. The surfaces data in tabular form can be opened in the data editor. The last thing we would like to show, the process of loading borehole image data. The images allow to determine wellbore course relatively to the formation. Select in standard loader the data type and the image file. If required, select the splitter of columns. The last step is choose the well, where we need to load the data. The image data can be viewed in the data editor, as well as in cross-section module and module kit. We are doing more than others to geosteering being easier and more efficient.